Hello everyone, this is Rita Yadav and you are on Gate Chemical Planet. I welcome back all of you on Gate Chemical Planet. Today we will discuss on most essential topic, which is how to prepare process calculation for Gate examination. Here in this video we will discuss first the objective of the process calculation or the course overview. Why this subject is important for chemical engineers, and then we will discuss how we will prepare this subject for GATE examination, and then we will come on the collection of the materials and books. What are the names of some standard books, reference books, and also some practice books for process calculations. Then finally we will discuss some mistakes or the big mistakes related to your preparation. So now come to my computer screen. Here I will show you the objective of the course. So before going to prepare for GATE 2022 examination, it is very important to know some basic objective of this subject and what is the course overview of this subject. Basically, process calculation is the basic subject of chemical engineering. What we will learn in this subject? We will learn some basic calculations used to solve different types of operational problems in chemical process industry. This subject is also known as stoichiometry. Then, what is stoichiometry? Stoichiometry deals with the law of conservation of mass and energy. And with this, if the principle of unit operations and chemical reaction engineering are carefully bridged, then the subject becomes extremely valuable to chemical engineers who basically apply these principles in solving process engineering problems. So this is the main objective of this subject. So now process calculation uses the principle of material and energy balance calculations to find the requirement of raw materials and energy for a given plant production capacity. This is very important to know about this subject. So now we will come to the syllabus of GATE 2022. If you don't have the syllabus for GATE exam, then go to the IIT Bombay website and download the entire syllabus of chemical engineering from there. For your convenience, I have written the syllabus here also, and I divided this syllabus in 3 parts. In first part, you will learn study and unsteady state mass and energy balances, including multi-phase, multi-component, reacting and non-reacting systems. And in second part, you will learn use of tie components, recycle, bypass and purge calculations. And finally, in part third, we will learn Gibbs phase rule and degree of freedom analysis. Most of the time in GATE examination, questions comes from recycling, bypass and purge calculations, which is very important topic in GATE examination. Sometimes logic based question comes from this topic. So it is very important to learn these topics deeply and with practice questions. So now I will give you an idea about the books and the materials. The standard books for the preparation of this subject is the Basic Principles and Calculations in Chemical Engineering by David M. Hammerblue and James V. Rigg, and the publisher is Prentice Hall. Second important book which you can refer as a reference book also, Stoichiometry and Process Calculations by K.V. Narayana and B. Lakshmakutty, PHI Learning Private Limited. So what are the reason to suggest these books as a standard books or as well as a reference books? There are some basic objectives of any book. So if I consider this book as the first textbook, then there are some reason behind it. Basically, David Hemel explained the fundamental concept in a very simple language, together with generous use of appropriate questions and diagrams. And it provides sufficient examples with detailed solution to clearly illustrate. Okay, and it presents ideas in small package that are easily identified as part of large frameworks. And other objective is, it is very important to develop systematic problem solving skills, enhances the confidence and generate careful work habits. So this is the most important thing. I am recommending this as a standard textbook for the preparation of GATE 2022. Secondly, this is very important book to learn what material balances are and how to formulate and apply them and how to solve them. And this book also useful to learn what energy balances are and how to apply them, and to learn how to deal with the complexity of big problems which may come in the GATE examinations. So that's why I am suggesting this book to enhance your skills. The second book, which is the Stoichiometry and Process Calculation by K.V. Narayana, is a very good book. You can learn some basic physical properties, basic laws about the behavior of gas, liquids and solids, and some basic mathematical problems given in this book. So this is very good book for enhance your basic concept related to the unit and dimension and some other things. Okay, so except these two books, you need some practice books for the previous year questions also, because it is very important to do previous year questions regularly when you are preparing for GATE examination. The most important practice book is the An Insight into Chemical Engineering Objective Types and Problems by M. Shubhu. This is very good book for the practice questions. Previous year questions are also here. You can calculate all these questions and learn some theory also. Theory is also given in this book, as well as some questions are also given. Then the second book is very important, Khanna Objective Type Questions and Answer in Chemical Engineering by O.P. Gupta. Some other books I will also discuss in this video and show you book also. Okay, so now we will discuss some major mistakes related to this subject in GATE examination. So this is the standard book for process calculation, basic principles and calculations in chemical engineering, David M. Hemel Blue. I have 6th edition of this book. You can also purchase new book also. So when I am starting this book, some conversion factors are also given in this book. Okay, so heat and energy or work equivalents are also given here. Pressure equivalents are given here. So it is very important to see the content of this book. Okay, so here at the starting, in first chapter, introduction of chemical engineering calculations. This is very basic topics. These are very basic topics to learn. Units and dimensions, the mole concept, convection in methods of analysis and measurement, basics, how you will select the basic, what is temperature, what is pressure, and in second chapter, problem solving approaches are given, and then material balance calculations, gases, vapors, liquid and solid, and energy balances, and solving simultaneous material and energy balance calculations. analyzing the degree of freedom in steady state processes. And some unsteady state material balance and energy balance calculations are also given in chapter number 7. It is very important to see the appendixes. Okay, in appendixes, what are given here? Answer and self assessment test. It is very important. Atomic weight and numbers. Stream tables also given here. Physical properties of various organic and inorganic substances are given. Heat capacity equations are given. Heat of formation and combustion are given here. Vapor pressure given here. Heat of solution and dilution are here. Enthalpy concentration data is also given in the appendix. So here thermodynamic charts are also here. Physical properties of petroleum fractions also here. Solution of sets equation here. Okay, so whenever you required any data related to the problems in this book, in appendix section, all these things are given. If you required during the calculation of your question, then you can check here also. So before going to the study of this subject from this book, it is very important to learn the purpose of the book also. It is very important. Preface. What is the purpose of this book? Scope and parts of the books. So this is the book I preferred. I recommend you for process calculations. Here SI units are also given. Okay. And dimension and units questions, how you convert, also given. So this is very good book. I recommend. Okay. So this is the another books on process calculation. Name is Stoichiometry by Bhatt and Thakur. I have 5th edition of this book. You can purchase new book also. So what are the important things given in this book? Here the dimensions and units. It is very important to know some basic idea about the dimension and units. So chapter 1 is very important to learn, and then we will come on basic chemical calculations. Here mole, atomic mass, molar mass, equivalent masses are given, and some questions on mole, atomic mass and equivalent mass are also given in this chapter. So before going to the process calculation in more details, it is very important to learn some basic concept from this book. This book is also very good book. I don't have the book K.V. Narayana, so I am showing this book. Otherwise, if you have K.V. Narayana, then go for K.V. Narayana also. If you have available this book in your library, then you can go for this book also. It is very good book for process calculation, basic idea. And then in chapter number 3, basic material balance without chemical reaction is given. Here block diagrams, process flow sheets, material balance calculations, recycling and bypass operations are given. So it is very important. In chapter number 4, material balance involving chemical reactions are given. And then in chapter 5, energy balance is also given in this book. And stoichiometry and unit operations, how you will apply the material balance on distillation, absorption, extraction, crystallization and physiometry also here. Some drying problems are also given in this book. Evaporation are also given. Some problems on combustion are also given. Stoichiometry and industrial problems are given. And if you are not preparing for GATE examination and for your semester courses, here some other things are also given. You can prefer this book for semester also. Okay, appendixes are attached at the end of the book. So here it is very important to read out the preface, and in preface there are so many important things are given. So stoichiometry, what is stoichiometry, you can learn from here. Okay, so this is a very good book. I recommend this book also. So I have another book for practice process calculation questions or the previous year questions. So this is the book GATE Tutor. I have 2017 edition of this book for chemical engineering with solved papers from 2016 to 2020. 12, and 3 practice sets are given in this book. This book is by Nikhil Gupta and Abhinav Jain. So this is also a very good book for practice the question. So here the most important thing given in this book is, here I am showing you the tips and practice for a successful attempt. Here, okay, here 9 points are given for the preparation strategies. Plan for your study to knock out the exam. Here some tips are also given how to prepare for the GATE examination. So read out these steps if you are preparing for GATE examination. GATE syllabus, here the analysis is also given. Okay, you can learn from here. So now in process calculation section we will see, in process calculation section I am showing you. This is the process calculation section given in this book. This is the book for process calculations. Basic concepts of process calculation, what is mole equivalent, gram equivalents, all things are given here. Specific gravity, gases, some basic concept related to the process calculation is given here also. What is gas mixture, also given. Real gases, about the real gases. So you can learn all this concept from here also. Solution of gases in liquids, Raoult's law, which is very very important to build your concept. And material balance without chemical reaction is given here. Then material balance involving chemical reactions are given here, and some basic questions on distillation are given here. Then on absorption and stripping is also given here, crystallization given here. Then unit exercise 1 is given here with answer. Then unit exercise 2 is given here for questions. Okay, so you can practice more questions from here also. And previous year GATE questions, previous year questions are also given here from 2010 onwards. 9, 7, 11, all the questions are given here. Previous year questions are also given here. Okay, and the solution of previous year questions are also given in this book. Answer are also given here. You can learn from here also. This is also very good book for practice the previous year questions and some more questions. So yeah, this is the solution for previous year, solution for previous year. Okay, here I am showing you my notes on process calculations. If you are facing any problem related to notes, then comment me in a comment section. I will post these notes in PDF form on my Telegram channel also. The link of Telegram channel is given in description box. You can join there. So these are my notes on unit operations, basic concepts related to physical quantities, what are fundamental quantities and derived quantities, what do you mean by units, what is the importance of units, dimensions, set of fundamental quantities, derived quantities. These are notes on work, heat, power, density, specific gravity. Okay, and flow rates, very very important, pressure and its representation, which is very important. What is absolute pressure, what is the relationship between the absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure and vacuum, some important conversions for pressure. These are some tutorials on unit conversion. So these notes are complete notes on process calculations, tutorials on mole concepts. So if you need these notes, then comment me in a comment section. I have prepared the separate videos on each topics. The playlist is given on my channel. You can watch all the videos there also. Okay, so now I wind up this video here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Subscribe to GATE Chemical Planet and share this video among your friends. So now we will come on to the most awaited topic of this video, which is the big mistake related to the process calculation. When you are preparing process calculation for GATE examination, it is very important to analyze this subject and to see the weightage of the process calculation in GATE exam. So I'll tell you the weightage of this subject in GATE examination is from 3 to 5 marks only. And as the weightage of this subject in GATE examination is not very much, student neglect this subject and leave it for the later phase of their preparation, which is a big mistake and which is not good for your preparation level. Though the subject of this subject is very much less in the GATE examination, but the concept of this subject is very helpful in other subjects also. Like the concept of this subject is important to build the concept of other subject like mass transfer, heat transfer, CRE and PDIC also. So don't take this subject lightly, and my recommendation is to prepare this subject at the starting phase of your preparation. In April or May, you have to prepare this subject for GATE examination and then come to other major and minor subjects like mechanical operation, fluid mechanics, and then come to heat transfer and mass transfer, and then come to CRE also. So the big video on strategies I have already prepared, and go to the playlist and watch the preparation strategy video there. So now I wind up this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Subscribe to GATE Chemical Planet and share my videos among your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.